Hi guys, good morning. This is Faith with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I'm really excited to share with you guys these DIYs that I am getting ready to do. So most of you know that I am working on some decor for my son's wedding. And I shared with you on my Tuesday morning this packet that I purchased of, it has 8 of these little miniature glass, and they're candle holders that I'm going to recreate for the wedding. So Hobby Lobby sells them already decorated, and of course you can haul them that way, but I decided I wanted to create them myself. So they had them on sale for $2.79. There's 8 in a pack, and I need 10, so of course I purchased 2 of the packs. I want to do a few of the decors that I'm doing for the wedding with you guys. I figured I would share this moment with you guys, and I hope that you do like it. And if you do, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. This is an idea that you can create your own wedding decor for family, for friends, for yourself, and I want to share this with you guys. So let's jump right in. What you'll need is whatever candle holders you want to use. Hobby Lobby sells them for $6.99 for the pack. I got mine on clearance for $2.79. You will need 1 roll of the Dollar Tree burlap with the little ribbon on the center. You'll also need some of the Dollar Tree twine. I'm going to add some twine to that. You'll need your scissors, which I went ahead and cut out all 10 that I needed already. So you will need your scissors, glue gun, and glue sticks. So the first thing I want to do is to make sure I take my ribbon all the way to the top. So guys, I went ahead and gotten all the little glasses wrapped with the ribbon, and now I want to take the twine, and I went ahead and measured it out. I want to fold it in half. I want to take the back side, add a dab of glue, then add right in the center So what you're going to need for this next project is 2 large cylinders. And I got these cylinders from Walmart. They clearanced them out for $4. And I want to use both cylinders as a centerpiece for the head table. So what you're going to need for this project is 2 cylinders of your choice. You're going to need the Dollar Tree sand. I chose black because it looks fabulous once it's spray painted with silver or gold. So we're going to go with silver and a little touch of gold. Not a lot of gold, but just a little touch. You're going to need your cylinder, sand, spray paint. You will also need a paintbrush and Mod Podge glue. You will also need some kind of embellishment. I'm going with the pearl. You can use diamond wrap if you'd like, which I think will be perfect. You'll need scissors, your glue gun, and glue sticks. This is a quick, easy beautiful, inexpensive project. Let's get started on it. First thing I want to do is to begin to add my pearls. So you want to lay your cylinder down. I've already cut out the pearls. You can haul them from Hobby Lobby. That's where I got mine. And it's inexpensive and beautiful. Lay your glue down and make it a generous amount of glue. Then add your pearl. Once you've added your pearl, you're going to go ahead now and begin to paint your cylinder with your Mod Podge glue. I like to put my hand in for stability and just begin where the pearl is all the way down. We're going to do this in sections. Guys, so I went ahead and add a second coat of sand. So this has 2 coats of sand. Now what I want to do is go ahead, spray paint. I believe what I want to do is add gold first, and then I'll go back over it with silver. Then we'll come back in and add our glitter. I went ahead and wrap around where my pearl is with a piece of paper towel just to prevent the gold from getting onto my pearl. So now what I want to do is add some silver to this, and then I'm going to go back over it again for a second time with gold. So this is just gold over the black sand. Now I'm going to spritz it with some silver spray, and then I will go back in and cover it with some more gold. And then we'll come back in and add our silver glitter. Went ahead and sprayed a part of the cylinder with our glue, adhesive spray. And now I'm going to take my glitter where I sprayed it and just sprinkle on just a dab. We don't want to saturate the whole thing. Just a little dab. I'm gonna dust some of it off. And guys, how fantastic is that? So I'm gonna go ahead, finish this up, and come back and show you what the finished product looks like. DIY is going to be quick and easy. I have these 2 wedding knife sets, and they were from my wedding, and so I'm going to go ahead and give these to my son for their wedding. But as I mentioned, their theme is rustic, so I'm thinking I want to keep the white ribbon still on this, but add the rope. So what I want to do is wrap only the handle to disguise all this glass here. So what you will need for this project is twine. You'll need scissors, your glue gun, and your glue sticks. we're gonna go ahead and get started on laying in the back some glue. Lay your twine down and begin to wrap. You want to make sure this is tight, so tug on it a bit. So now I'm thinking I want to go ahead and create just a tiny bow to go on the center of the white ribbon. Okay guys, so this is how the projects turned out. I love all three of them. I think they turned out really well. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends this video. I'm excited about preparing for this wedding and being able to share it with you. Okay guys, thanks again, and I will see you on my next DIY.